Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you at. I just want to say thank you for tuning into Sully Seasoning, the Facebook, watching my videos, posting you guys' own editorials on Sully Seasoning. And also thanks for making it a season that you guys are now carrying into your kitchen. Thanks for the people that have been reordering, reposting, and the reviews. I want to say I love you guys. Thank you. I'm excited about it to hear that some of you guys are now using this seasoning. It's like your #1 seasoning to go to. This is heartfelt. All right, I got to get the doorbell. Bye.
It's perfect. I don't know. It's perfect.
Sully, this scampi is amazing. This flavor is amazing.
I like it.
Yeah.
It's not too.
What about the steak? You got steak on there too now.
Let's try the steak now.
Yeah, it definitely doesn't need any sauce. I mean, it's tender. It's not overcooked. It's perfect.
Good.
No, I love it. Spoiled rotten. That's what we are over here. Sully just spoils us.
Folks, here we are, Sully's. That steak tastes delicious. This scampi is amazing. And I encourage you to go ahead and purchase some of this right here.
Oh yeah.
Okay, you can use it as about anything. I have tried it myself. Chicken, steak, I just use shrimp, and it has an amazing taste.
I'm actually over here to get 2 bottles right now, for this reason alone. What do you think about it? Is it good?
Yeah.
Yeah?